మెడికల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ నెలకొల్పాల్సిందిగా ప్రధాని మోడీ గారిని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తూ రాష్ట్రపతి గారి ప్రసంగానికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలిపే తీర్మానంపై ధన్యవాదాలు. జై తెలంగాణ, జై కేసీఆర్.
प्लीज रेणुका जी, I don't appreciate such kind of interventions. No, I never gave it. Please take your seat. I deprecate such tendencies. You are very experienced. Please don't. No, please. Nothing. I would appeal to the leaders. They must control their members. Their members cannot be at large. Please take your seat. I have not given you permission. I have not given you permission. No, please. No. You must have some regard. I am already in deep pain. I have suffered observations which I thought all my life I will not suffer from LOP. What he made was absolutely touching my conscience to the core. Shri Vikas Chandra Bhattacharya.
Madhoniya.
Shri Vikas Chandra Bhattacharya, you have 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Please
Madhoniya
continue.
Chairman sir, যে ভাষা ভারতবর্ষকে বন্দে মাতরম দিয়েছে, যে ভাষা ভারতবর্ষকে জনগণ মন অধিনায়ক দিয়েছেন, সেই ভাষা বাংলায় আমি আপনার সামনে আমার বক্তব্য রাখছি। প্রথমেই একটা নিবেদন করব, মাননীয় চেয়ারম্যান, যখন কোনো সদস্য বক্তব্য রাখবেন সেই বক্তব্যে যদি আপনার কোথাও আপত্তি থাকে, নির্দিষ্ট অংশ যদি বাদ দিতে চান, তবে ওই সদস্যের বক্তব্যটা পুরো রেখে আপনার মন্তব্যটা পাশে রাখবেন, যাতে ভবিষ্যৎ প্রজন্ম জানতে পারে সদস্য কি বলেছে এবং চেয়ারম্যান কোনটা বাদ দিয়েছেন তার ঐতিহাসিক যৌক্তিকতা। ভারতবর্ষের রাষ্ট্রপ্রধান তিনি আমাদের সামনে এসে যে বক্তব্য রেখেছেন তার জন্য তাকে ধন্যবাদ। এই বক্তব্য তিনি তার অন্তর থেকে রাখেননি, তাকে শেখানো বুলি বলানো হয়েছে, তোতা পাখির মতো তিনি যা শেখানো হয়েছে তাই বলেছেন। ভারতবর্ষের রাষ্ট্রপ্রধানের গর্বিত হওয়া উচিত ছিল যে তিনি একজন অজৈবিক প্রাণীকে তার দেশে নেতৃত্ব দেওয়ার জন্য খুঁজে পেয়েছেন। এই অজৈবিক প্রাণী, translation if you want, is not a biological person. Then this interpreter nahi. I am told there are no interpreter.
Continue. Vikas Ranjan Bhattacharya ji, Bengali is such a lovely language, very mellifluous.
Not only lovely
we
language,
understand it.
This is the language which has given us, Bullard, which has given us Janagana Mana, which has given us Bande Mataram. That language is not being interpreted.
What we'll do, Vikas Bhattacharya ji, one second. Does he need support? Such a distinguished person was mayor of Calcutta city, a senior advocate. Take your seat. Vikas ji, please. I urge the members, those of the members who wish to speak in their language, regional language, have to give some notice. I will call you after about an hour and there will be translation. You would have noticed the speaker earlier to you, one second, the speaker earlier to you had so indicated and there was translation. So we'll take it. So we'll have the benefit of your sound views after about an hour so that arrangements will be made.
I would seek you kindly to speak in English. that this is a very sorry state of affairs in the country of multilingual, multicultural unity. When the Constitution says union of states, Constitution doesn't say this is a unitary country. This is not one country, one language, one leader. This is a country of multiple culture, multiple language. Therefore, language of every corner ought to have been immediately translated. I have had my experience of international conferences where I don't have to give notice that I will speak in my own language. It automatically goes on translating. Unfortunately, we are talking of digital India. We are talking of so-called advancement,
Bikaji, let us not take time of the House on this. At the moment, we have a mechanism in place which is duly notified to all the honorable members. And any honorable member who informs the table office, arrangements are made. The speaker before you, Ravi Chandra Vadiraju, he spoke in Telugu. Everyone heard him. And I am accommodating you. I am being sensitive to it.
I accept.
So let us not make an issue of it.
I accept your opinion.
I'm so happy.
Your judgment.
And we'll give you adequate time. And I need to listen to you more carefully. I have such attachment with Bengal and Bengali language.
বাংলা বলবো হ্যাঁ
Mawa Maji.